Most people get this wrong. They assume running an Etsy store is all about creating handmade items, but tools like AutoDS can actually streamline dropshipping and inventory management. I tested it to see if it's worth using alongside Etsy, and here's what you need to know. AutoDS is a dropshipping automation platform that helps store owners find products, manage inventory, fulfill orders, and even monitor pricing. It's primarily known for Shopify and eBay, but some sellers use it with Etsy for certain product types, especially print-on-demand and third-party items. The surprising truth is how much time it can save. AutoDS can automatically update stock and prices, sync orders, and even handle bulk product uploads. For Etsy sellers managing multiple SKUs, this can prevent overselling and reduce manual errors. However, there are limitations. Etsy has strict rules about handmade and custom items, so you need to be careful. Fully automated dropshipping may violate Etsy's policies if products are sourced from third parties without modification. AutoDS works best for sellers who comply with Etsy's guidelines, like using print-on-demand services or sourcing unique products responsibly. Pricing is subscription-based, and while it's reasonable for serious sellers, you should weigh the cost against your sales volume. The platform also offers analytics and performance tracking, which can help optimize your store over time. In conclusion, AutoDS can be worth using with Etsy, but only if you carefully select products that meet Etsy's rules. For time-strapped sellers managing multiple items or exploring print-on-demand, it can save hours each week and reduce mistakes. Subscribe for more honest reviews of e-commerce tools to make smarter decisions for your online store.